I was really thinking about my sister and my mom heavily this morning, and then being in the house with the kids just kind of sent me over the edge. So I needed to like get away. I needed just a few minutes to myself, and the only way I was gonna get that was if I came out here and exercised. So I just hit the bags for a few minutes. As you guys know, I don't eat until 2. So I have to, I still have a few hours to go on that, but at least I was able to relieve some stress, I guess. It's been raining a lot lately, and my sister's services was just this past Saturday, so that coupled with the rain just hasn't been, you know what I'm saying, it's just been really messing with my mood and my mental. So I don't really know how I'm gonna feel for the rest of the day. I'm hoping that things get better, but right now just my thoughts are just like all over the place right now. So I don't know, but we'll see what happens. All right, so y'all saw that little loss on the scale. Look, let me put it to y'all like this. I am not worried about that scale. I'm not worried about it. As long as it's going into the right direction, that's all that matters to me. It don't need to be a whole 6 pounds, a whole 10 pounds, a whole 16 pounds. As long as that scale is moving in the right direction, I'm good. I'm Gucci. So, yeah, your girl lost that little 0.8. And we gonna you know, make it happen again next week. We gonna do what we gotta do. We gonna do what it do. Dude, it's been a fly like flying around here. It's like buzzing. I don't even know if it's a fly though. It might be a bee. It might be a wasp. Whatever it is, it's trying to get me. So I gotta hurry up with this and wrap this up. Meanwhile, I just wanted to let y'all know that your girl is happy with the weight loss. I hope y'all happy with y'all weight loss for the week. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how much y'all lost this week. Let me know if y'all started. Let me know if y'all trying to start, if y'all about to start, if you're using me as motivation. Let me know what's up in the comments down below. Oh, and don't forget, subs and likes are free.